All right, guys, I've got an update for you that's been 2 years in the making. I just got a message today from Lime. It says, check your app. We're retrieving the whole scooter fleet for the snow. Don't miss out on this high volume, high pay event. And let's just tap on that and see what they have to say. So basically, uh, all of these scooters that are out there, they need to be put away. Here's a couple. Yeah, all of these. They've just basically recalled them all, and let's go over here. And that's because we have the biggest storm of a generation coming in to just drop 2 foot of snow on Denver, and the governors mobilized the National Guard for search and rescue, and basically they know that their scooters are going to be covered in snow, and if people did use them, it'd just be a safety hazard anyway, you know. But um, this is a follow up on a story that I started like 2 years ago because I made a video. This was January 30th, 2019. And in my video, I showed how Lime had been leaving scooters out in the snow, and they were freezing to where the places where they were left. And the batteries were exposed. They weren't the winterized ones that they have nowadays that do better in the winter too. And in my video, I just said, "Hey, Lime, pull your scooters and bikes before the snow hits." Um, and then there's this one at the end of my video. It was the piece de resistance. It was an entire Lime bike that was just covered in snow in that video, and that was 2 years ago. And now they have decided to be more proactive before a snowstorm and actually pull all of their vehicles from the streets and not have them freeze to the streets. So that's a good thing.